What's going on, everybody? If you haven't noticed already, I'm no longer riding the Ibis HD4, and that's because I got this new VK SoMo. VK is a new company out of Ahwatukee, Arizona that I'm now riding for, and I'm absolutely loving this bike so far. So yeah, let's get right into this bike check. Alright guys, so like I said, this is the VK SoMo frame. We're just going to do a quick rundown of the bike. So this frame is the new SoMo. It's 150 millimeters of rear travel. I'm currently running the DVO Jade X coil in the rear. This is a great coil. It's supportive when you need it. Feels like a coil should when you open it up, and locks out fully when you need to climb. I'm running the DVO Onyx set at 170 millimeters of travel in the front. Big thanks to the guys at DVO for getting me hooked up with these and keeping me running safe on the trails here. Over to my wheel set. For wheels, I'm currently running the Crank Brothers Synthesis wheel set. This is just the alloy wheel set because I kind of run through a lot of wheels out here. And so attached to those wheels, we have some Versus tires. Big thanks to Scott over at Versus Tires. If you haven't checked out Versus already, I'll drop their link below as well. Versus is a new startup company out of Southern California with great product here. Then as far as my drivetrain goes, I'm currently running a XTR 12-speed. This is the 10 to 51 because I do still pedal here and there when I go out trail riding. And I'm riding XTR cranks. And then as far as pedals go, I'm running just some E13 flat pedals, some metal pins there. Dropper post is the new E13 Vario. This is a new dropper post that you can change from 150 millimeters of travel to 180 on the go, so it's actually pretty rad. Attached to that, I have a Ergon saddle, super comfy. Up to the cockpit, currently we're running a E13 stem. We have E13 carbon bars. I have my bars cut at 760 millimeters wide. I'm just used to narrow bars. I'm not sure why people always have to make a comment on that. I'm running the wolf tooth lever and TRP Claudio brakes. I love the TRP brakes so far. This is my first time having them on a bike, but they are amazing so far. Modulation is great. Yeah, and then I'm running a 203 millimeter rotor in the front with a 180 millimeter rotor in the rear. Gets the job done for me. Has just enough stopping power there. So yeah, that's just a quick rundown of the bike. So let's go get to some riding.
This product.